Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last class we studied about variable declaration, how to initialize the value for the declared variable. Today, continuation of the previous topic. So how to use those variable in your program that we are going to see it today. So coming to the concept, to understand this concept, you need the uh, previous video you have to see. If those who have not seen it, please go back, see what is variable, what is data type, then come back to see this video. So coming to what are local variables. So local variables are nothing but if you declare any variable inside a method block or any type of block, then it is called as variable, like local variables. Okay, so if I declare here, I told you how to declare a variable in A. If I declare in A is a variable that I have declared inside this main, like inside this main method. So you can use this A only inside this main method. So it is local for this particular method. That is what the meaning of local variable is. So how to use this? So I'll give A is equal to 100. Okay. Now I'm going to print the value of A. So I'll just give A. I'll give the class name P5. Okay. I'll save it. I'll save p5.java. I'll click on enter. Now I'll minimize this screen. I'll open the Java program. I will maximize this. I'll click on CMD, press enter key. So now I need to run the Java file. So Java file name is P5. So Java compiler space P5.java. This will check the errors that is present in your file. If there is no error, then you're going to get next line like this. So you can enter the next command. So Java space P5, press enter key, you'll get 100. So what is this 100? 100 is a value that is initialized to A. So we are printing that A value here. See here, I'm printing this A. A is a variable. 100 is a value that is stored in A. Now with the help of simple print statement, I'm printing the value of A. Okay. Not only A, I can give any values. Like I'll just copy this. I'll paste it in the next Java file, Java. I'll paste it over here. I'll just declare some other variable like char. Char is a data type used to store the value of character. So whenever you are going to store a value inside a character, you have to give it in a single quotes. So I'm going to print ch value. So how to print ch value? I have to give ch in the cout statement. Now I need to give a class name p6. I'll save this file with p6.java. I'll press save. I'll go back to the command prompt. I'll compile the Java file p6. I'll check for the error. There is no error. Now I will run the program. You can see the value A that's stored in CH. Not only A, you can give a number also. You can give a special symbol also. I'll save it. I will run it. Can you see? Star is displayed here. So you can print any character like this. So depending upon your character, you have to get a data type. Okay. I hope you understood what is local variable, how to declare a local variable, and how to print the value inside the variable. Next comes the keyword. So what are keywords? So I'll just take one empty text. So I'll give what are keywords. So many of you all might be knowing what is keyword. So keyword is a predefined words in a programming language. So predefined words in programming language. Okay. So what is this predefined? Predefined means it's already defined in your programming language. Also, it has its own meaning. Meaning. Okay. So if I have to give an example of a keyword, till now we have used int, float, double, long, boolean, okay, byte, dot, character. All these are keywords. You know what is int, right? Already we have seen data type. What is int, you know? What is float, you know? What is double, you know? And you know that float has its own meaning, double has its own meaning, right? So that is what keywords are. So all these are very basic keywords. Still, many more things are there about keywords. Going to the previous example. On the screen, whatever you see in blue color, all those are keywords. It might be class, it might be public, it might be static, it might be void, it might be character, that is char. All are keywords. So all these keywords has its own meaning. Okay, that is what a keyword is. I hope you understood with what is keywords. Next comes what are identifiers. So what are identifiers? So identifiers are nothing but a name given to the programming element. That is what identifier is. What are these programming element? First I'll write a name given to a programming element. It's called as identifier. What are programming elements now? You need to think about it. What are programming elements? So, programming elements are nothing but it might be a class name, it might be your method name, it might be a method name, it might be a variable name, okay, anything like this. It might be a program name also, program name. All these are identifiers, okay. So here I told what are programming elements. So it might be a class name, it might be a method name, it might be a variable name, it might be a program name. All these are programming elements. Okay. I hope you got with identifiers. Next comes how to declare an identifier. So identifier has its own rules to define a identifier. So rules to define an identifier. The first rule is you can't use any of the keyword as your identifier name. So you cannot use any keywords as identifier. Okay, that is your first point. Second point is you can start an identifier with alphabets. Okay, you can start with alphabet, but you cannot start with a number or special character or special character except dollar and underscore. Dollar and underscore. Okay. So this is your next point. Spaces are not given as identifier. Whenever you are declaring an identifier, you can't give space between the identifiers. Okay. So almost it is of 5 points here. Whatever the second point is there, it is of three different points I have mentioned in one single point. Okay. You can give combination of alphabet and number. Okay. You can't use number in starting. You can use combination of alphabet and number. For example, first example, EMP 123. This is a valid identifier. I can give dollar EMP. This is a valid. Then I can give underscore EMP. It is valid. I can give EMP space ID. This is not a valid. Instead of space, you can give underscore. Okay. CHER. Is it valid? No, because CHER is a keyword. Okay. I hope you understood with what is identifiers. So this is how you are going to give identifiers. So if I come to the previous program, here you can see CH. CH is a identifier. P6 is an identifier. Okay. When I save, I gave p6.java. That is an identifier. Okay. So all these are identifiers. I hope you understood with what is an identifier and rules for identifiers. So this is about it. So today's topic was about the variable as well as keyword and about the identifiers. So we saw few programs from variable point of view. Then we saw what is a keyword, examples for keyword, what is identifiers, rules for identifiers. So this is about it, guys. For today's class, it's enough. Okay, I hope you understood whatever I have taught. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask questions. You can leave a comment so that I'll answer it. Those who have not subscribed my channel yet, but coming back again and again, seeing my videos, it means that you are liking my video. So make sure you're going to subscribe my channel. Also, like the video and share it with the friends that who are in need. Okay, thank you.